Hello friends, welcome to Jainam Software. In this video, I am going to explain how you can export data in Jainam Software to Excel. Okay, so any screen or any page that is in a tabular format can be exported to Excel. For example, let's see status report all party list. This is in a table format with rows and columns. So let me just refresh. Probably there is going to refresh. So this is in a tabular format. Now where can I take the export? So you can go here under your profile name, and then you will see there are two features here. One says export and one says export version 2. Now when you click on export, it will get exported to Excel, but it will not give you the name of the report. Okay. For example, if you click here, you will see that this downloads using the name of the report format. Okay. Now similarly, for example, if you see some other report, if you take, for example, say you take, for example, here you take deposit report. No, that is deposit maturity report. Let's go to customer. Under profile, there is a customer report, all list. Okay, all list. When I refresh this, these are list of the customers in a tabular format. Now when I want to export it to Excel, you just have to go here and say export or export version 2, which will get downloaded. The one that is export, it gets downloaded as the name only download, and the one with version 2 will get downloaded with the name of the report, that is customer all. So in this way, anything that is in a tabular format will get exported. Just go to the report you want. Okay, just go to any report. Say you want to take you want to export to Excel the due list. Go to due list. Just get your data on this page. Whatever the data is, go to your profile name and click on export or export version 2. Friends, I hope you liked this video. You understood how we can export data to Excel in Jainam Software. Thank you so much for watching this video and have a nice day.